Alright guys, this is the next part of the unit. This is going to be P1. I'm going to go through two examples right now, varying in difficulty, and you guys can crack on with P1. Right, Jake eats 10 grams of protein a day. His weight increases from 80 kilograms to 85 kilograms. What percentage of original weight did he gain? Okay, I'm going to go through line by line now. That first line, 10 grams of protein a day, fine. His weight increases from 80 kilograms to 85. So straight away here, I've got my original amount. And to 85 kilograms, here, I've got my new amount. What percentage of original weight did he gain? All I need to work out the percentage of original weight gained is the original amount and the new amount. So therefore this first sentence here actually brings us nothing, no information at all for this particular question. So to work out from here, I just used what I used in the fluency tasks. I say, well, firstly, let's find the difference. So 85 minus 80 equals 5. And then the difference, so 5 over the original amount, which we worked out to be 80. If it was a non-calculator paper, I'd make it out of 100. But it's not, so I can do times 100. 5 over 80 times 100 is 6.25%. Percent gained, done. So the big takeaway from this question is make sure that all the information is needed and necessary for you to answer it. Okay, this next question is a tiny bit more challenging. This is the last one we'll do. So, Kate bought a car for £20,000. After a while, she wants to sell it. It now costs £15,000. Her brother would like the car, so she gives her brother a 20% discount on what it costs now. What percentage loss has she made compared to when she bought it? So she bought it, again, line by line here, please. She bought it for £20,000. So that is her original amount. After a while, she wants to sell it. Fine. It now costs £15,000. Now, before I turn that into our new amount, I'm just going to read the next line. Her brother would like the car, so she gives her brother a 20% discount on what it costs now. So straight away, rather than us concentrating purely on the £15,000, we actually want a 20% discount of the £15,000. So I'm going to do that now. 10% of 15,000 is 1,500. I want to find 20%, so I times it by 2 to get 3,000. 20% discount indicates that they're going to take it away from the 15,000. So £15,000 take away the 20% discount, which we know to be £3,000. So that means we're on to £12,000. What percentage loss has she made compared to when she first bought it? So she bought it at £20,000. Now we've just worked out, if she sold it to her brother, she sold it at £12,000. So that must be her new amount. So we've got the original amount here, the new amount here. So to work out the percentage loss, we simply do exactly the same process as we did for the fluency tasks. £20,000, take away the £12,000. That leaves us with 8,000. Now we know to work out the percentage loss here, the difference over the original amount, which is 20,000. Again, non-calculator, you'd make it over 100. In this case, we can just times it by 100, and that equals 40% loss. So she had a 40% loss. So the big takeaway from this question is do line by line, label what you know, do the maths once you see it, and eventually you'll get there, okay? The only thing I will finally say on this point is be a little bit careful in this P1. Be careful of the units given. Be careful of the units given, please. And also do, as I said, do line by line. All right, good luck.